Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Frontify to manage brand guidelines in real time, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin using Frontify for brand guideline management, log into your Frontify account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the project you want to work on. Click on the project to enter its main interface. Navigate to the section where your brand guidelines are stored. Identify the specific guideline you wish to withdraw. Hover over the guideline for additional options. Select the option to export or download the guideline. Choose the desired format for your export, such as PDF or PNG. Confirm your selection to initiate the download process. A prompt will appear indicating that your download is preparing. Once the process is complete, the downloaded file will be available in your designated Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to review the brand guidelines. Make any necessary changes or annotations as needed. If you need to share the guidelines, attach the file in your preferred communication platform. For real-time updates, ensure you are regularly syncing your changes. To keep your team informed, consider sharing a link to the updated guidelines directly from Frontify. Review any recent changes to ensure consistency and accuracy. Utilizing Frontify effectively allows for streamlined management of your brand guidelines. Employ these steps regularly to maintain brand integrity across all platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.